in real quick to feed the team. Birds looking good. Thank God. Everything looking good. Birds looking live. You already know. They get happy when they see daddy. They'll know how to act. So I'm happy that the team doing good. They eating. That's what it's about. Coming through real quick. Feed the birds. You already know. Can't slack on the birds, kid. We the only thing they got when it comes down to it, man. Facts. So, end of the day, if you love the game, you love the sport, you're going to dedicate your time to your birds, bro. Show your birds some love. Make sure they got fresh water. Make sure they got some feed on deck. You know what I'm saying? Vitamins, medication. You already know. Happy birds eating live. That's what I'm talking about. Nothing better than that. You already know, boy. Holla back at your boy.